Okay. What you have?
I made AI categorizing AI camera for potatoes.
For potatoes.
Yeah, you can.
How does it work?
If this is no energy junk potato, it's by bugs.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good potato.
good potato, but light is very hard to this severe condition.
Right now. Otherwise it would say yes. Okay.
Maybe right now maybe good door.
反抗してみる反抗
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's for quality.
Yes.
Quality.
Categorizing the raw
僕たちの赤なんですけど
potatoes.
Yes.
米の袋に反抗するのって地味
Very good.
Yeah,
Very
no,
good.
no trained person can
これ
categorize.
使うと
Is it a school project?
No, it's my hobby.
Your hobby.
Yeah.
Good job.
My father
こういう
is
ふうに全部
farmer.
溶かして押さなきゃいけない
Oh, your dad's a farmer. Nice job.
Helping. He's not my
後に
father.
ここ合わせて
He's not your brother?
He's not my father.
He's not your father. I wouldn't think so. Yeah. Nice, nice. And you have a YouTube channel?
No, we have just homepage only. We have only
Maker Faire.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
これで出荷できるっていうこういう地味な作業をやらなきゃい
Agri
けない
Tech project.
Okay. Open Agri Tech project. Yes, I will find you.
よかったらどうぞ持って帰ってください知らずが勝手に作ってください
Wait a minute. We are
How far did you come today?
We come from Fukushima prefecture.
How many meters or miles or?
About 400 kilometers
400 kilometers. Nice. It's a good project. Thank you very much.
Sorry, my bad.
これフルーツパッションジャパニーズカキ
Persimmons.
でこれサイズね
Uh-huh.
We have to categorize the weight
Uh-huh.
is さあこれね300円これ 6L これは 2L サイズ でこう 2L is 2L こう並べる で
That's good. You made this?
yeah and upload a data Google spreadsheet automatically
Will it save it?
いやこれ例えば
Okay.
これで
Calibrating.
6L でしょ
6L. And it shows up. Nice job. Nice job. Nice job. Thank you. Arigato. Okay.
This is wind drawing system.
Wind drawing system. And here you are seeing the pattern of the wind,
Yes.
the flow of the wind.
Real time.
In real time. Okay. Can you show me with your fan? It's turning the fan on. And now you can see the wind is going in that direction. And the speed is increasing. Okay. Can you move over here? So he's moving over here. And you can see the speed and the angle. And this sensor,
This sensor is using ultrasonic.
ultrasonic. Oh, okay. Okay, nice. So he has 4 sensors that are helping him to determine the speed, the angle, direction,
speed, and temperature.
and the temperature. Where is the temperature? Oh, down here. Yeah. Okay, good job. Good job, good job. Thank you.
This is outdoor type wind, ultrasonic window meter.
Oh.
White one.
ULSA M5B. This one. Also M5B. You made this? You made it? Oh. Good job. technology. Start logging. Who will use?
For example,
Farmers?
yes, farmer and
Water, like sailboat?
yes.
Sailboat maybe? Yeah. Okay.
We use weather station.
Weather station. Okay. Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you.
Vision.
Stratavision. Stratavision.
My name is
Hiroki.
Hiroki Kono.
Hiroki Kono. Terrible. Hiroki Kono. Thank you.
Thank you.
Build your own wind
はい、あ
tunnel.
りがとうございます。お願いします。
How does it show? What?
Smoke?
Yeah.
Picture effect smoke. By Amazon. By EC site.
Okay.
In smoke, this whole
Oh,
line.
and smoke goes here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This effect.
Yes, my wind tunnel. Build your own wind tunnel.
3D date open.
Yes, open source.
Open source. Yes.
Build your own wind tunnel. Different types of wind tunnels. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.